I like this a lot.
Elevator. Graphic death, blood, gore, violence, body horror, disturbing imagery, and audio. Okay, so if you have epilepsy, don't fucking watch this video.
It's easy to get lost here. Your interview's not on the first floor. You know that at least. The elevator doesn't have anyone inside when it opens for you.
Yeah, because it's the other guy.
Okay. Hold the door! Owie. Traffic was awful today. Am I right? Taxi barely made on time. Not like the boss will take that as an excuse again. I'm kind of trying to open the scene. Top floor.
I'm actually going to see.
You too, what a coincidence.
Oh god.
I don't think I've seen you around before. Who are you?
Who are you? Wait, 1, 2, 3. I mean, I guess I'll introduce myself. My name's
Chase Beckley. Make sure you remember it. God, I'm already tired of this guy. Wait, are you cutting off the dialogue, or is that the game?
That's the game!
Oh.
2.
I mean, it did say your interview isn't at the first floor anyways.
Yeah.
What's in the deep abyss?
What the fuck?
Oh!
Oh!
A free room?
What?
It's a free room! This is so cool.
I can't move forward though, so.
Wait, can you look up and down?
Just put space. I couldn't, it wasn't letting me.
Oh, what the note say?
This isn't the floor I need to get to, okay. But there may be something we can use safely to get out of this floor. We should check this floor for anything useful.
Good idea. I was about to say the exact same thing.
Okay. So do you want to step out and check it out?
Wait, do you want me to go? I'm more of an ideas man. Sorry, pal.
But it was my idea! Okay. What'd the note say?
What was the note? That sticky note is stuck to the wall. Give it something alive. What?
Are all the cubicles this small?
I wouldn't know. I had an impressive enough first interview to get an office to myself.
Would you happen to be related to any of the CEOs?
How do you know?
Lucky guess. Okay.
For what?
What number would we dial? The fuck?
Yeah. Yeah, like who? Try it, I guess.
Okay, we don't know what number.
Oh, that's for later. That's for later, I guess. Going through someone else's drawers is pretty rude, dude. Open drawers? Yes. Oh god, wait. What is the strongest attribute of a great employee? A. Ambition. B. Morality. C. Functionality. Left kidney?
Functional left kidney. D. Reliability.
D. Reliability. What is the second stage of grief? You know this?
Strange questions.
Anyways. How long do spent nuclear fuel rods remain radioactive? I don't know. 4 blanked out. Fill out the questionnaire.
No. I only know the answer to one of those things. I don't know what I'll need it for, but okay.
Yeah, pick it up.
Okay.
Probably trick something? Are you looking at the guide?
4-3. No, I'm not looking at the guide. I'm just trying to think.
Okay. What is it empty?
Oh
Ocean?
no! This does
Ocean?
not seem good.
Ocean?
The elevator.
Ocean? Subnautica?
Shut up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Okay, fine.
The elevator feels weirdly humid. That is fucking breathing?
Breathing.
I mean, we could potentially just get an ending right now if we just go in and fucking die.
Yeah, sure.
My glasses start to fog up when I'm looking too close. Why
Oh, you're
can't I
in a
see
mouth.
anything? Yeah, we're in a
Oh,
mouth.
you're in a mouth.
We're in a fucking mouth of some kind. I don't know, dude.
Wait, what if you throw the cigarette in there?
I
Would
can't.
that cough something up?
I mean, nope. Okay.
I guess until we find like a light source, come back here.
Do I just...
And feel a warm breeze on your face. Yes.
Time to die!
Actually, are there save files?
Oh.
ED3A dark.
Yeah, I fucking knew I was gonna die if I did that! What the fuck was that?
Huh?
That...
Oh, you're in the limbo.
Oh. That thing, did you not...
What do you mean? Are you really scared by the lights flickering?
No, it's...
Yeesh, newbies get sadder every year.
Why is it? Okay.
Give it something alive. I think that's important.
Yeah.
Door?
That wasn't there before.
Nice. So... Whoa, something up? You got all stiff and weird looking.
Nothing, it's just... Was that door always there?
Not that I can remember, no.
Right, must be getting deja vu. Sorry.
What's so familiar about it?
Reminds me of my old place. What are these responses? The fuck?
I hid everything I owned.
Can we go in?
Oh yeah.
Shit, the floor. Fuck. Shit, the floors creak wherever I go. I need to make this quick. Open them.
Open.
Wait, is this my room? Is that why?
I think because... Oh,
You can
you
hear a
hid
voice.
everything? I think it's a... Yeah, because it's a Catholic room. It's a Catholic...
Oh. Oh, hell no. Get me the fuck out of here. Nope. I have no idea what the fuck is going on in this. Okay, floor 5.
Oh, my mouth tastes funny.
I
You
fucking
want a
wonder
minute?
why.
Wait, nuclear chamber?
11
Yo.
sec. I get a limited amount of time to look around.
Oh. So much writing on the
Case.
walls.
Cade. Anything else I can click on? Your nose starts
No.
bleeding. The back of your throat tastes like tinfoil. Yeah, let me out. Nope, no, 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 no. Okay. We'll
What, that's
come back
changing.
here later. We already went to floor 6. Let's go to floor 7.
Oh god.
Huh? The fuck?
Ugh.
It smells like roadkill in here. Something's definitely rotting. Yeah, no.
You think?
What the fuck is going on in here?
Your coworker casually rests his hand against the wall while waiting for you. Ugh, it's disgusting in here. Could we hurry it up? His hand is now covered with blood.
Seems there's blood coating everything in here.
I'm gonna go back and keep being on the lookout while, Steve been a real help. Good luck, buddy.
He's wiping his hand on my suit. That fucking bastard.
Well, we know that we have to bring something sharp in there.
Yeah. Huh? Is that...
Why do I look like that?
What the fuck?
Yo.
Huh? Who are you? This is my colleague, and I'm the newest employee here. It's nice meeting some friendly faces. And who would you two be? Oh, fuck this shit.
I feel like Wait, what?
He keeps interrupting me!
But that's a completely different name. What?
The fuck?
The name's Clayton Cox. Cock? Don't wear it out.
Well, it's great to meet you two. If I can ask, what's brought you both here?
Exploring, I guess.
Yeah, exploring. I guess. You're way too enthusiastic. Have you found anything then? Well... Oh, I just got an idea! Maybe we can stick with you guys and work together. Twice the eyes, looking for outs. God damn it, I can't fucking English. And let's be real between the two of us. It's not like these two morons are any help, right?
Hey. Yeah. Oh wait, they have swapped colors. Oh.
Yeah. So, what'd you say? No. No, what the...
Yeah, I feel like he's about to pull off a Manila catalog on you.
I feel like no matter what I say, I'm gonna fucking die here, so I'm just gonna say no. Well, at least we tried, right? Oh, what the fuck? What the... Uh-huh? What the fuck?
Replacements?
What the fuck? What the fuck? What?
Oh, wait, replacements, Stranger Danger.
Oh.
Ending 8.
Are you okay?
So why wouldn't I be?
I just wanted to check. Do you remember anything strange at all?
No. Not that I can recall. Why do you ask?
It's just... Never mind. Make sure to stay safe is all.
Aww.
Yeah.
No. The trick to negotiations is to crack the weaker one first.
Oh, so I was supposed to come back here!
When they get desperate enough, then you throw them a bone by acting like you understand them. And you'll hook him up for sure.
You sure you don't remember anything?
Remember what?
Never mind. Can I speak with just him? Yes, go right ahead. What do we ask him?
Where is this?
Okay.
We don't know.
What do you mean?
We got here same as... we don't know where this is either.
When?
How did you get here?
Yeah, how did you get here?
Oh, when? When or
How?
where? Okay. We came inside, but the doors closed behind us. We noticed there weren't any buttons on this side.
So you got stuck? I think what he's trying to say is that we've been having some technical difficulties. But we're sure we can just hitch a ride with you two, right? No, fuck that. Let me ask you.
As for me, Kapitän.
When did you get here? Well, who can really?
It's been months. The doors haven't budged. The walls go on forever. There's no way out besides the door. They haven't been open since we got here.
What? Shut it.
You have to let us take your place. Please, we have to get out of here.
The fuck? Okay.
I feel like if you leave them be, your doppelganger will just shove you in.
Yeah, let's just... Wait. Was 2 push them further?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's... How long have you been stuck here? How long? His wristwatch's batteries ran out months ago. We don't know. Is that all you have with you? Just that and some scissors we left in here. We've got nothing. Nobody's come to let us out. If you hand over the scissors and promise not to attack us, you can take our place.
Oh, yes!
Thank you so much. Okay. Whew.
Here's
Okay.
some scissors.
Sorry. Oh, fuck. Oh, betrayal! Ooh!
Ooh. You press the close button before they had the chance to come inside.
No, I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
They're trying their best to force the door open from the other side of the elevator. Wow.
Huh?
Nothing. I just didn't know you had that in you. That was cold-blooded. Damn.
They were gonna replace us otherwise. You wouldn't get it.
I think I do.
What?
I mean, you didn't just brute force it or play dumb. You really pushed him to his limit. Got him to open up before taking what you needed. You'd make a great employee here, is all I'm saying.
Can we get the fuck out of here because they're still banging on the damn door? What the fuck?
Oh, I get it. What? You think I'm part of this somehow too? Don't you trust me?
I'm gonna be honest here,
I mean,
no.
he did.
Oh god, that fucking...
See? You got nothing to worry about. You're with the same me as always.
He's not real.
I mean, what kind of employee would be he?
He's not real. He was never real. He was never here to help. Oh god.
Oh.
Oh god. Oh fuck! Oh!
Ending
Oh!
12, real. So it is real. He is real. Check your inventory.
Yeah, I still have the scissors.
Yes.
Are they bloody
Yes.
now? Nope.
Sure.
So I just straight up fucking killed him because I was having an existential crisis. God damn. Can I have a light? Here, it turns out I had one too. Now, can I have a light?
Sure thing. Just be careful with it. Nice.
Oh, we have a lighter now. Ooh.
This means you can explore 3 now.
So, do we just get the other ending to fucking die in that room? Might as well.
Wow.
Light up. Yes.
Yes.
Time to die. Yup, it was a mouse.
Yep, we knew it.
That's what I figured. Feed it
A giant
something.
mouth. Ooh, we'll come back later. Oh, wait, the meat! The meat! We can come back here.
Wait, but there's a fucking like another ending where if you go in, you get eaten, and we need to get all the endings anyway. That's the only other thing I knew when I
Can
was
you walk
scrolling
in?
down the thing.
Can you walk in there?
I mean, what else? What else would we feed it?
Yes.
Oh, none of the. Oh, okay.
We need the scissors. Burn cigarette.
Oh! Ooh. Oh my god! I wasn't expecting it to
Right.
happen that fast! Mine's drawn around
If it,
to cut open the carcass. Yes, because I don't know what else we would be able to do.
actually, I think if you cut up the other one, there might be an ending. Because I
Found a
think if they look at
Take the screwdriver? Fuck yeah. It makes a disgusting swelching sound as its warm blood sucks the end of your suit. Dear God, don't get so descriptive. Do I cut the other one?
yeah, but
Something
tells you this one's.
Okay.
Time to cut
It
it
doesn't
open.
even let me. Okay. Alright, we're done in here. Okay, so we got a screwdriver. What the fuck do we do with a screwdriver? Oh god. Okay.
Okay. Wait, there's a box underneath the bed.
Open it? Yeah, quickly.
Yeah, because he said he hides stuff.
Nothing but a useless drawing. Aww.
Oh. Doesn't budge.
What
Up
are you doing?
there.
They're supposed to be asleep. Oh god.
Interact with
I
the
mean,
cross.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Oh.
Okay, let's see if we can feed it the sleeping pill. If it doesn't, well, oh, it's as if it sensed it had a pill with you. It's refusing to eat anything you give. Is there a way to trick it? Give it something alive.
Seems stuck to the floor. Okay.
Yeah, go through the drawers. Okay, so...
Should we?
Yeah.
Because I don't know
So
what
I
else we can
think...
do. Question 1. What is the strongest attribute of a boy?
What would you say? Reliability?
Probably. But I don't know if it wants me to go with the weird as fuck answer or not.
Let's do reliability. Actually, Searcher puts the second stage of grief.
It's anger. Denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. That's what it is. Confusion isn't even a stage of grief. Unlimited nuclear fuel, radioactive. Can you look that up?
Over about 10,000 years. 10,000. Choose from the following.
I'm just gonna go with A.
This?
Why did the music stop?
Huh?
Yeah, I got something wrong. Rejected.
Rejected. Maybe it tore itself in half.
Oh my god!
I guess that was your interview.
Wait a second. I remember when we went in here before?
Oh, case. Oh.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. That makes sense now. Yeah.
Alright. We found a use for floor 5! As soon as I was saying it was useless. No, it wasn't.
So a functional kidney.
Yeah, case. I had a feeling it was gonna be, like, the wrong answer.
But...
Yeah.
What does
Answer C.
wait, I wanna search up 10. I wanna search up 1028. Is that like a psalm or something?
How long do spent nuclear fuel remain radioactive? 10,000 years.
Yeah. Yeah, because I feel like some people wouldn't even know in the first place. Why would they?
Question 4. Choose from the following answers. I have to choose the last one, 1028. So 5. Something rattling inside again. When you open again to check, you notice the form has been replaced with something else. You received a crumbled up note.
Phone number 921 923. Okay. Good. Crumpled note. I don't know if that's a 4 or a 9.
921 923. That's not a full phone number though, but we can try. Hold on, wait. Oh.
Yeah, it's enough. Yeah.
Wait, fuck. No, I don't know how to change the numbers! Give me a moment.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
I was trying to do that and it wasn't working. Hold on. Let me try it again. Okay, now it's working. The fuck? I was trying to do it a second ago and it wasn't working. 921 923? Is that what it was?
Yes.
You deserve a tree. What the fuck?
I'll deliver it to you next time. Oh, okay, then I'll call, make sure to come and pick it up. Okay, then I guess go to 5 and die.
Yeah, we haven't died on floor 5 yet. We don't know how that's like. As soon as I went in there, my nose started bleeding, so...
Yeah. There is something about 1028.
Look it up. Your nose starts bleeding. The back of your throat tastes like tin foil. Oh, fuck, look at him.
I'm not feeling too good. I think we should